How to get clear mode on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now go ahead and open up TikTok and log into your account. Once you do that, you want to click and hold on the video, and a pop-up menu list will appear at the bottom, and what you can see is that it says clear mode. Click on it, and as you can see, basically clear mode is when TikTok will delete all the icons and all the text on the screen so you can watch the video with more focus. As you can see, if you clicked on the bottom at the bottom right of the screen, there's an icon. If you clicked on it, you can go back to the normal TikTok video with the icons and the text and stuff like that. But if you enable the clear mode again, you can see that you have more room and more space in the screen to watch the video, and there's nothing hidden. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can enable the clear mode on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.